right, what up, though? It's me, Young Froggy, to God. All right, look, check it. I got a Ark Raiders gameplay for y'all. But look, that first clip y'all watched, listen, I got not just a gameplay. These are tips. I got 5 tips for beginners, bruh. And trust me, I've been playing looters, shooters, the best looter, shooter, extraction shooter ever known to man, The Division. Yeah, I'm a Division OG. So if you know anything about that game, you know I know what I'm talking about because I do's my thing. I puts in work on that game. All right, so listen, if y'all boys want to stay alive on this game and have a better experience, I know a little bit about what's going on. So let me help you out. The first thing, like in that first clip y'all watched, the first thing you need to do is be aware of your surroundings. Use your audio. I'm running towards gunshots all the time, and it's players like me that as soon as they hear some gunshots, they out of there. They not caring about no more going in no more drawers and looking at no more cabinets. They out of there. Boom! They beelining it straight to you. All right. So now, that first clip, I didn't have no bullets. Yo, use a free loadout, please. I'm telling y'all boys.
I'm running a free loadout and I have no loot. Good job, guys.
Don't be in, because my boy zooed it. Like, every time we play, it take us 10 minutes to get into the game because he got to fix his book bag and pack his book bag. No, you just got the game. We all just got the game. Use the free loadout for the beginners. He can use whatever you want to use. But for y'all beginners that need better help and with the game, use the free loadout. Get back into the game as fast as possible. All right. Now, like those audio alerts, make sure I already talked about the audio alerts, bro. All right, I'll be all over the place. Now, another thing, them death flares. Like, when you see those death flares go up in the air, if you don't want to fight, if you're not into PvP, you want to go away from that. Also, wait, going back to audio, bro. Yeah, we got to talk about audio because audio is key in this game. When you shooting your gun, like I said, players are coming to you as soon as they hear some gunfire. So when you shooting your gun, shooting at these damn robots, kill them fast as possible. That ties into the next tip. They got weak points. Shoot their weak points and kill them fast as possible. Loot maybe 30 more seconds a minute and get up out of there. Don't sit there and loot the whole building. You can't, because you're gonna have players coming to find you. I'm looking. I got binoculars. I'm scoping the scene. I'm trying to find you niggas, bro. I'm coming to kill y'all, take y'all loot. Now, the emote wheel. I don't suggest you use that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can use it to have fun, to be funny, to interact with other players if y'all want. But if you using that thinking, don't shoot, I'm friendly. If you thinking that's finna help me or make me not shoot you, it's over with, bro. And now it'll be a little bit better if you turn your mic on and you talk to me like, hey, what up, y'all boys? What y'all doing? What y'all on today? You know what I'm saying? That's gonna be better. Try to become friends with the people that you out there coming across with. Don't see a nigga and then straight beg for his mercy. No. No. Because you got lions out there, bro. We gonna kill, nigga. Kill. It don't matter what you got on, bro. What you talking about and what you telling me. If you sounding weak, I'm like, oh, this nigga weak as shit. Let me kill him, bro. Let me get this nigga up out of here. So that's what we gonna do. I think that's all the tips. You got the death flare, the alert, the free loadout, the weak points, the emo wheel. Oh, extractions. Last one, extractions. Listen, I keep referring to the Division because that's the king. Now, I need to tell y'all something about these extractions. Now, in the Division, extracting your loot is very risky. Thanks. And in this game too. It is just crazy, bro. Now, in the Division, you got a safe house. People will sit in the safe house watching TV at work, working from home, doing whatever they got to do. And as soon as they hear extraction go off, they running. They pick up their controller, they running right to you, trying to steal your shit. Now in this game, it's a little bit differently. They could be hiding in the bushes, waiting for you to extract. It ain't happening too much now, but it will. Matter of fact, let me insert a clip right here at the end of this gameplay, so I'm gonna let y'all see what's is to come, bro. It's coming. The real PvP players is coming to steal y'all loot. And we gonna hide in the bushes, hide in the trees, and as soon as y'all go press that button, we coming to kill y'all, bro. So you gon' have to be on a swivel. And yeah. That's about it, bro. I've been talking a little bit too long now. This game is intense. It's fun. I'm having fun with it. I'm not into all the looting and grabbing materials and crafting and all of that, but I'm having fun with the PvP, bro. So y'all gonna run into some players like me that's gonna kill you every time, bro. Or gonna try to kill you every time. But yeah, if y'all like this game and y'all want to see more from me, hit that subscribe button. Talk to me in the comments, bro. I like talking to y'all. Let me know what y'all think about the game. Let me know what game y'all looking forward to. Let me know if I still got some Division fans watching my videos. Man, talk to me, man. I'm finna make a comeback. Yeah, that's what everybody say. I want to come back. I said that many times, nigga, and stop playing and stop posting. I'm gonna say it again. I'm finna make a comeback. And I'm gonna give it a better effort this time. I'm finna be more consistent. And I'm gonna holler at y'all boys later. I'm gone.
This is what Division Heartland was supposed to be. Change your jacket because it kind of makes you light up like a Christmas tree. Have something a bit more greener, and then just wait. The moment that door opens, you push them. You don't even need any shield. Yeah, you don't need any shield. You just go in there, you push him, and then oh shit. Did you see that? I knew I saw that guy, dude. That's all you need to do, guys. Just wait here, and it's a wrap. You get me?